This is the CP plus CarKam CP-F28B. In the box you get the dash cam, the rear camera with cable, a power cable, cable pry tool, red double-sided tape for the mount, and this transparent electrostatic sticker that sticks to your glass with zero residue. And this is how clean it looks once it is installed, right behind your rear view mirror. Pop in your SD card, plug in the power, and when it asks to format, just hit OK. Done. It is ready to record. Download the CP CarKam app, tap Add Device, select the F28B, connect to the CP plus Wi-Fi using the password on the back of the device, and your live feed is up on the phone just like that. Now for placing it in your car. Right behind the rear view mirror is the sweet spot, hidden from outside and totally out of your way. Wipe the glass clean, peel the electrostatic sticker and press it firmly onto the spot. Peel the red tape off the mount, press the front camera on, and do the same for the rear camera on your back windshield. Tuck the cable along the pillar, plug in, and you are all set. Front and rear, always recording.